Hi everyone, Naresh here. Today I want to discuss some general topic. This may be useful for many of you. Yeah, this is completely regarding, as we are very busy with our daily office works, couldn't able to make online classes, though we got so many requests to take online classes for Spark and Big Data. So definitely we'll come up with a new training schedule whenever we will get time. And meanwhile, also I want to do some help for you people who are really looking for a job in a big data domain. So what we are doing right now is we are conducting every week a free call. We are set up a conducting a free call where every week means on Sunday, especially on Sunday 4 p.m. So in that call, at present we are discussing how a real-time project will execute. Okay, so we are sharing our experience to freshers or those who are looking for a job, so that they may get some idea, because many people doesn't have the real-time exposure in their projects, because they couldn't do that project. They didn't get an opportunity to execute any real-time project, and many of you might lost the interviews because of this reason. People are having very good technical knowledge, but unfortunately they doesn't have the practical knowledge of the project execution. So this may leads to not selecting an interview, right? So to fulfill that gap, we come up with this idea where we want to share our experience, and we'll try to guide you, and we'll try to explain how in a real time cluster our jobs will run, and what type of issues that we'll face when we execute our execute our project in a real time scenario, and what are the types of different environments which are available when we develop a application, and when we do an testing and performance tuning, and then project deployment and production. After production also, what are the issues we generally face, and how we resolve it, and how we able to stabilize those applications, especially in a project, especially in a real-time cluster. Okay, so this kind of experience is very much required for a newcomers, and these are very helpful when they want to give their answers while getting questions from interviewer, right? Apart from this, right, so we also trying to discuss one or two topics in every call, that is from Spark, from Big Data, or from some ETL tool, and some interview question and answers, so that not only me, many of you also joining already, and they are sharing their knowledge, and they are also preparing a particular topic, and they are discussing the same topic in that call. So others are listening it, and others are watching it, and others are gaining the knowledge out of it, right? So when we do like this every time, after some days, after some months, definitely we will have a very good idea or good knowledge, both the theoretical and practical knowledge. Definitely this will help you to get any job. After getting job also, this will help you to continue your real-time works in your project. In this call, we also try to explain how to prepare a resume, how to answer the questions, how to face an interview, and how to prepare for an interview, and what we should not do mistakes while attending an interview, and how to continue our work after getting a job. Okay, so all this stuff, and if you have any questions, career related or study related, especially for big data domain, definitely we'll try to answer it. Okay, so that you may have a clarity on the specific questions, right? So all these services, whatever that I just now shared with you, we are not charging at all. It is up to you. If you feel our support or services are helpful to you, and if you feel our effort added some value to your life, then you pay us. If not, you don't need to pay any amount. Okay, so the purpose of this activity is completely to help many people, those who are not able to pay the amount from their pocket before getting a job, right? I know many of people are like that. People are very talented, but unfortunately they won't have sufficient money to go for to take any trainings, to take any support, and there they are stopping, right? So to overcome that, we are trying to implement this type of support. Actually, this call we have already started in the last month. Now, a few people already joined, and they are also joining, and they are also learning. They are also sharing their knowledge, and we are trying to guide them what to prepare, how to prepare, and how to face an interview, how to um, how to explain your answers in an interview, and this kind of support that presently we are giving. And of course we are not charging here anything. As I told you, that is your wish completely, whether you want to pay or not, completely your wish. Okay, and only only one time in a week, at present we are spending almost 1 hour time to discuss all these things on Sunday or any public holidays. Okay, if we have more people, definitely we'll try to extend the timelines to 2 hours, so that many people also will contribute. And so we are creating some central repository where whatever we have practiced, or whatever we have preparing the material, and whatever we are preparing question and answers, are placing in a single place and try to share you all people. Okay, so that everybody get benefited out of it, right? So I hope this type of calls or meetings are very much helpful to you all. And okay, those who are interested, please send your interest to our email ID, which was mentioned in a description. And also try to send your phone number. We have a one WhatsApp group. Okay, we'll try to add your phone number into that WhatsApp group, so that if you have any updates regarding topics, and regarding call timings, or any other related technical stuff, definitely we will share over there. Okay, and for girls, this is completely up to you, whether you want to share your phone number or not. Better you can share one of your family member phone number if you are not comfortable with your phone number to share with us. uh, okay, and so that that number, whatever you are going to share, will be added to our WhatsApp group. Okay, I hope this may be helpful to you. Thanks for watching this video.